जब जॉब चाहिए सरकारी तो इंडिया करे अड्डा 24/7 पर तैयारी। अड्डा 24/7 इंडियाज नंबर 1 गवर्नमेंट जॉब प्रिपरेशन ऐप।
Good morning everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjot and we are here to discuss the second selection series class today, in which we are going to discuss the capital market questions. Okay, so in the first class we have discussed the money market chapter questions, and today we are going to discuss the capital market. So the selection series we have started, this is the second class, and what we are actually going to do in the selection series is that we are going to discuss topic wise questions. Okay, we are going to practice topic wise questions. That what we are going to do here. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, those candidates who are live in the session, do make sure that you have downloaded the Adda 24/7 application and also start giving the quizzes related to the banking awareness. That is important for your preparation because it gives you the knowledge about the basic banking awareness. Okay, apart from that, if you have not subscribed the channel Officers Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Now next is, there are certain important information I want to give you all that right now. Today there is an offer going on, that is 81% off is available on all the products of the JAIIB, CAIIB and your bank promotion exams. Okay, so 81% off is going on right now. Apart from that, on the test series there is 23% off is going on. So 81 is on the batches and 23% is on the test series which is available. So to enroll in a batch you can use the code Y496, and to enroll in the test series you can use the code Y496S. Okay, and these are the two batches for the English medium JAIIB exam that is started from 12th of November. Individual subject batch is also available, and all the three subjects batches are also available. So these are the English medium batches. Apart from that, there is one bilingual batch which recently which is going to start from the 3rd of October. So this actually is going to be a very helpful for your preparation because it's a bilingual batch first of all. Second, it covers the 3000 MCQs, 600 plus case studies, previous year questions. So you can see here that 3000 plus MCQs will be available, previous year questions discussion will be done here, and apart from that you will get the 600 plus case study of all the three subjects, that is PPB, AFB and LRB. But do make sure you understand this, that this particular batch is bilingual, not an English medium batch, so the content will be in English but the explanation will be in bilingual. Okay, so this is the batch which is going to start from 3rd of October, and if you enroll right now you will get 81% discount. That is a very good deal. And if you want to enroll in the test series, there is 23% off is going on. Apart from that, if you know somebody who is preparing for the CAIIB exam, then do let them know that these are the two upcoming batches which are for the CAIIB English medium and bilingual. So you can see the English medium is starting from 3rd October and the bilingual is also starting from 3rd October. And all these products you will get 81% off today. Apart from that, there is a test series offer going on, that is if you use a code Y496S, you will get 73% off here. Okay, you will get 23% off here. So this is the offer going on right now. If you purchase from the application, you get always 1% additional discount, right? Next thing is, these are the test series available for your JAIIB exam. So first of all the three subjects are included in the test series, and also individual subject test series are also available if you want individual subjects, and you have to use for that Y496S. So this is the two mega deals for today, that is on all the JAIIB, CAIIB and all bank promotion exam there is 81% off is going on. Apart from that, on all the test series there is 23% off is going on. So do make sure if you want to enroll in any of the batch, this is the right time to enroll. Now let's start the second class of our selection series, in which we are going to talk about the capital market today. So we know we have discussed the money market questions. Today we are going to discuss the capital market questions. So money market and capital market both are the part of the financial market. Okay, money market and capital market is a part of the financial market. If we talk about financial market, there are four types of financial market. First is money, second is capital, third is debt, and fourth is equity. So these four types of markets are there, in which we make sure that the funds will be exchanged among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. This is what we are actually doing in the financial market. Okay, so the capital market is a long-term market. It serves medium and long-term funds for the businesses. It It includes the shares, debentures, bonds, mutual fund, government securities, etc. So we can say simply that the capital market is the market where long-term securities can be traded. That can be shares, bond, debenture, mutual fund, anything else, which is for more than 1 year duration, that can be traded in the capital market. And capital market is regulated by SEBI. Who regulates the capital market? Securities and Exchange Board of India regulates the capital market since 1992. Okay. Now, apart from that, if we talk about the components, there are two components of the primary market, capital market. First is primary, second is secondary. So primary market is a type of market where we talk about that the first time when you are selling shares for the first time, when you are selling securities for the first time, that is your primary market. And if you resell those the securities which are already exist in the market, you are doing selling, purchasing of those securities, that will be known as your secondary market. So primary market is also known as new issue market or fresh issue market, and the secondary market is known as the market for existing securities. Okay, now let's start with the questions. The first question is asking about which of the following term does not belong to the stock exchange. So what do you think, which of the following term does not belong to the stock exchange? First is saying NAV, second is saying NSC, third is saying IPO, fourth is saying KPO. So according to you, which of the following term is not related to the stock exchange? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? So NAV is what? Net asset value. Net asset value tells us about the value of a mutual fund. So if we want to know the investment efficiency of a mutual fund, so we can check the net sales of a mutual fund or the net asset value. So that is NAV. NSE stands for National Stock Exchange. That is the first stock exchange in our country which introduced the online trading, which introduced the electronic trading in the market. Third is IPO, initial public offering. IPO is when the company first time issues share for the public, that is known as IPO. And the last one is KPO. So what do you think is the right answer? Okay. So Kritik and Lavanya is saying D. Vinay is also saying D. Why there are very less people today? Why there are very less people today? So if you have not shared the session on your Telegram channels or WhatsApp group, then do share the session so that other people also will be joining us. So the right answer for this particular question will be your D. Very good, KPO. It is not a particular term which is related to the capital market. All the three terms are related to the capital market, but not the D one. Okay, so right answer will be D. Next. The first computerized online stock exchange in India was? First is saying NSE, second is saying Octave, third is saying BSE, and fourth is saying MCX. So which of the following stock exchange is the first computerized online stock exchange? We started trading in online mode. Second will be, do mention the question number when you are answering. So right answer for the second question will be, okay, Nishant is saying C. I hope you are giving answer of the second question. Okay, Lavanya is saying A. Okay, what about rest? I have just given the answer of this particular question. Right is A, your National Stock Exchange. NSE introduced in the year 1992, but it started its operation from the year 1994, and it started as a computerized online electronic exchange. So NSE, National Stock Exchange, is the first stock exchange of our country which started the screen-based automatic electronic trading system. Okay, it started the screen-based automatic electronic trading system, that is NSE, National Stock Exchange. Okay, second. The bonus issue is also known as the scrip issue, the capitalization issue, the right issue. So the bonus issue is also known as which of the following? So bonus issue is the issue in which company issues share free of cost. When company is giving shares to as the free of cost, that will be known as your bonus issue. So which of the following is the other name of bonus issue? Scrip issue, capitalization issue, or right issue? What is the answer? Let me know. Okay. Third is C, Jitendra is saying. What about rest? Kritik is also saying C, that is 1 and 3. Raghunath is saying C, okay. C. The question is asking which of the following is also the bonus issue. So right issue is not a bonus issue. First and second is correct, so right answer will be D. आपका right issue is different ना. Right issue is the type of issue in which company give right to the existing shareholder to purchase the share. If they purchase the share, then okay now. If they are not purchasing share, then company go to the public. So right issue is the issue when company give right to the existing shareholder. But bonus issue is the issue when company gives free of cost the share to the existing shareholders. So right answer will be D, not the C. Okay, next. Which of the following is the benefit of depositories? So if we talk about the depositories in our country, we have two types of depository, that is CDSL and NSDL. CDSL and NSDL. So the first depository of our country is NSDL, which was introduced in the year 1996 and it was promoted by the NSE, National Stock Exchange. CDSL was introduced in the year 1998 and it was promoted by Bombay Stock Exchange. So what do you think which of the following is the benefit of the depositories? What actually these depositories are doing? So first option is saying reduction in the share transfer time to the buyer. Second is saying reduce risk of stolen, fake or forged shares. Third is saying no stamp duty on transfer of shares in dematerialized form. And fourth is saying all of the above. Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? The benefit of depositories. Okay, everyone is going with fourth, which is D. Okay. So first is saying reduction in share transfer time to the buyer. It is obvious that it reduces the time because it is providing you. What is depository is actually doing? Depository converts the physical security into electronic security and deposit in investors' demat account. So that's the work of the depository. So the first is correct that it reduces the type of shares transfer. Reduce risk of stolen, fake, forged. That is also correct. No stamp duty of transfer. That is also correct. So right answer will be all of the or all of the above. So this is the right answer for the benefits of the depositories. Next, the market in which new securities are issued by the corporation to raise funds are called. So the market in which you are issuing new securities. Okay, you are not issuing first time security. You are issuing new securities in the market. What type of market is it? Is it a primary, secondary, gross or proceeds market? So the market in which you are issuing the new securities, which of the following is that? New securities means simply the company is issuing shares. Company issue shares and that will be purchased by the investor. Investor purchase shares. So this is known as your new securities issue. So every time when you are issuing new security, company will issue share and the investors will purchase shares. Okay, fifth is A. Everyone is going with A. That is correct, right? Primary market is also known as fresh issue market or new issue market. And in the primary market, the company issues shares and the investor purchase. And the selling of the security will not happen here in the primary market. Only purchasing is allowed. So company, whenever the company issues shares and the investors are purchasing, that will be known as your primary market, and that's also known as fresh issue markets or new issue market. Next, which of the following are the feature of primary market? So which of the following is a feature of primary market? You have to tell that. First is saying it is a market for new long-term equity. Second is saying it is the securities are directly issued by a company to investor, and third is saying it is also known as best quality market. So what do you think, which of the following is feature of a primary market? So the capital market has two types of component, primary and secondary. When we talk about primary market, this is a market where the first time shares will be issued. Okay, not the first time, whenever the new securities will be issued, that will be a primary market. And when the existing security will be sold and bought again, that will be known as your secondary market. Okay, so that's why the secondary market is also known as market for existing securities, and the primary is known as your fresh issue market or new issue market. Okay, so what do you think, which of the following is the feature of the primary market? Okay, sixth is A. Okay, everyone is going with A. Yeah, that's correct. The right answer for the sixth question will be A, because it is a market for new long-term security. Correct. The security is directly issued by a company to investor. Correct. 1 and 2 is correct, but not the third one. The best quality market is known as the gilt market. The gilt edge market is known as best quality market because here we trade the government securities. And when you are doing trading in the government securities, what does it mean? It means there is no risk. Whenever you trade in the government securities, it means there is no risk in the market. So that's why the gilt edge market is known as best quality market, because we trade the government security, and this market is regulated by RBI because RBI is the agent of Government of India, and RBI perform the selling and purchasing of government security. So the right answer will be 1 or 2 only. That is A option. Okay, next. Which of the following are the feature of a forward contract? Feature of a forward contract. So what is forward contract? It is a derivative. Okay, derivative simply is a product whose value will be derived from 2 or more basic variables. So from when you are deriving the value of 2 or more basic variables is known as your derivative, right? So the forward contract is a derivative. Now do let me know which of the following is a feature of a forward contract. First is saying there is counterparty risk in forward contract. Second is saying each contract is customized and hence is unique in terms of contract. Third is saying the second one is each contract is customized and hence it's unique in terms of contract size, expiration date, asset type and quality. Third one is saying on the expiration date the contract has to be settled by delivery of the assets. Which of the following is a feature of the forward contract? Let me know. A, B, C or D? Seventh is D. Okay, everyone is going with D. Also, those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session once. Do like the session immediately. Okay, everyone is going with the D option. Very good. The right answer is D. Because the forward contract has a counterparty risk. Why they have a counterparty risk? Because these are over the counter derivative. These are over the counter derivative where there is no mediator. No stock exchange or commodity exchange becomes mediator in the forward contract. That's why there is a counterparty risk. Correct. Second, every contract will be customized. That is also correct. And you have to complete the contract by delivering the assets. That is also correct. So right answer will be D. Correct. Next. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? First is saying both shares and debt instruments are instrument of fundraising. It means by shares and debt you can raise your funds. Second is saying in case of both shares and debt instrument, the investors have a share in the capital and the profit. So what do you think, which of the following is correct? So which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Okay. B and A, two options are coming. See, if we talk about both shares and debt instrument are instrument of fundraising, that is correct. Now, with the help of shares and debenture, debt instrument, you are doing, you are raising the capital. Second is saying both shares and debt instrument, the investor have a share of the capital and the profit also. If we talk about the debt instrument, we have a debt instrument like bonds, we have debentures, we have government securities. So these are the debt instrument in which we are taking loan from the public. So in this, does the public who is investing in the particular instrument have a profit share? Obviously not. So the right answer will be one only. In shares, you will have a right of the profit because you are becoming a partner of a company, but not in the debt instrument, because debt instrument you are just giving a loan to the public, to the company. Next. Which of the following statement are correct about the equity and derivative? You have to tell which of the following is correct. So first question is asking equities are, first option is saying equities are derivative, equities and derivatives are type of financial instrument. Second is saying equities are instrument for investment while the derivatives are used for the speculation or hedging purpose. Third is saying the value of equity affected by the performance of the company, the market condition, the volume of buying and selling, etc. But the value of derivatives lies in the value of underlying assets. So which of the following you think is correct? Which of the following you think is correct about the derivatives? A, B, C or D? Okay, Kritik is saying ninth is D. Acha, D is all 1, 2, 3. D is visible na? D option is all 1, 2, 3. Right. So equity and derivatives are types of financial instrument, correct. They both, in the equity we use it for investment, but the derivative used for hedging or speculation purpose, correct. The value of equity depends on the market performance of a company, but the value of derivative depends on the underlying, that is also correct. So right answer will be D, all 1, 2 and 3. Right answer will be D, that all 1, 2 and 3 is correct. Very good. Next. Which of the following statement are correct about the chicken market? So which of the following statement is correct about the chicken market? So we know we have studied the types of animals in the capital market. So chicken market or chicken investor is there. So which of the following is correct about them? First is saying in chicken market, there is a downward trend. There is a downward trend of the index of a stock market. Second is saying the investors who are not willing to take risk are chicken investor. Third is saying the investors who are greedy are chicken investor. So which of the following you think is correct? Which of the following you think is correct? Tenth is D and C. Two options are coming, okay. Right. So the right answer will be chicken market has the downward trend. No. The downward trend will be there in the beer market, not in the chicken market. This is a beer market. Second is saying the investors who are not willing to take risk is chicken investor. That is correct. The persons who are afraid of risk are known as the chicken investor. The investor who are greedy, no. These are not chicken investor. These are the pig investors who are greedy and who agree to invest more amount in the market. These are chicken investors. So right answer will be only 2, that is D. Right answer will be D. Okay, so these are the 10 questions on capital market which we have discussed. Now let me know out of 10 how many answers you have given correct. And those candidates who joined us late, I will tell you again that there is 81% off going on all the batches which are going on, which are running already on the Adda 24/7 application, and on all the test series 23% off is going on. And if you want to purchase any particular product, if you want to go with the Mahapack, if you want to go with the individual batch also, then you will get 81% off here. And how to enroll this offer? You have to go to the Adda 24/7 website. Just go to the website or the application. Okay, you have to go to the website or the application and go to the section of JAIIB and CAIIB. JAIIB and CAIIB. Here you find all the batches. So if you talk about the recent batch which is really going to help you all is that the bilingual batch which is going to cover the PPB, AFB and LRB, 3000 plus MCQs, previous year questions, 600 plus case study. All these will be included in the batch, and this batch is going to start from 3rd of October. But do remember this thing, this batch will cover the content in English, but the explanation will be bilingual because this batch is a bilingual batch. To enroll, you have to click on the buy now and you have to enter a code that is Y496 and click on apply. You will find 80% off is here showing. But if you purchase the same batch from the Adda 24/7 application, you will get 1% additional discount here. Okay, and all the products which are available, all the batches which are available, that is having a 81% off for today, and also the 23% off is available on all the test series. Okay, you can go with the test series also. And if you want a Mahapack, the same process you have to use for enrolling in the JAIIB and CAIIB ka Mahapack, that I think is actually useful for you because you will get JAIIB, CAIIB both. Apart from that, all the test series ebooks will be covered here. Everything will be covered here. And also the new syllabus of the 2023 pattern will be added. Okay. So here you have to click on the buy now, and after clicking on here you have to use the code Y496. Click on the apply, you will find 80% off is showing here. 1% additional off will be there. So after paying only 10,000 rupees, you will get 12 months validity here, and all the JAIIB and CAIIB batches, test series, ebooks will be available in your account. Apart from that, all the upcoming batches will be also added. Okay, so this is the great deal for all of you, that this is the offer going on right now. So the score is 9 and 10 and 8 or 7. Very good. That's a very good score. Nishant, very good. You got 10 out of 10. So let's end the session here. And last but not the least, if you are new to the Office of the 24/7 channel, then do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And do make sure you like the session and also share the session with your colleagues who are preparing for the same exam. Okay, so thank you for joining the session. Stay safe, take care.